This is a mock-up for discussion purposes of the new attendance screens we're adding to Connector. You may notice some discrepancies in the data that I show you because it's fake data. We're just trying to see how this works and get comments and feedback. So I've logged into the system as a teacher, Mr. Cook, and I'm looking at my class, and then if I click on attendance, I see this week's attendance data for each student in each course. You can sort by each of the columns, which may need a little bit of explanation. This is the student's ID number from the SIS, and then of course the student's name. Each course that the student is in, and we can sort by that to see all the students in a particular course together, or back to name to see all of a single student's courses together. This is the number of hours that the student has spent working on this course during this week. This is the number of non-zero scores they've earned in that course this week. This counts mastery, practice, essay, anything with a score. For attendance purposes, we're not looking at progress as much as we're looking at effort. So each score earned is a unit of effort. This X indicates that a teacher has had two-way communication with this student this week about this course. Verified means that a teacher has marked this course, even though it is an absence, as a verified absence. So it's acknowledged, and generally there will be a note about that on the student details screen, which we'll look at in a moment. This screen just shows a single attendance period. You can download this data into a spreadsheet for further analysis, or you can look at a different week instead of this week, or you can see the full school year at once. Now again, this is fake data, and it loaded very quickly because it is fake data. Reality may be a little slower than that. But this is showing, again, per student, per course, each attendance week with the date of the start of the week, and whether the student is counted present or absent for that week. In this summary data, a P means that for this course, some score has been earned, or there's been two-way communication with the teacher. A V, which we don't see here, would mean that a teacher has marked this period as a verified absence. And an A means none of the above have happened, so it is not a verified absence, and it's certainly not present. By scrolling left and right, we can see the entire school year at once, with the most recent data here at the left, and we're looking at an entire class. So these are all of my students with all of their courses, and again I can sort it out to see, say, who was absent language arts this week. We've tried to make the absent stick out. You can also download this data as a spreadsheet. If you click on one of these periods to get more information, like say I want to know more information about Denise Allen's absence during the week of 5/18, then if I click on that, then it shows me Denise Allen specifically in the week that I clicked on. And here we have the same information that we saw in the details report for Denise Allen, her hours, her non-zero scores, and here we can set, if I'm a teacher with proper privileges, I can set whether I've had two-way communication with this student during this week, or whether this student has a verified absence. When a teacher makes a change on this screen, then they should add a note about it to be used in an audit or other follow-up. So say I just communicated with Denise about her science standards. I might say, I just spoke with Denise about her science course. She will be focusing on this work tomorrow. And if I hit save, once the system is working, then it would add this note to the stream of notes down here. And you can see what other faculty have said about Denise's attendance during this period. Marvin spoke with Denise's parents, was sick this week, so we might have a a series of notes that account for the check marks here. And these check marks correspond with the boxes here. And again, you can get back to that screen from the class screen. The idea is that at any level you can click to drill down or click back to go back up. And on all the screens we have the option to download a spreadsheet for further processing. Well, that's what we have so far. So nothing here is set in stone. Let us know what you think, and we'll keep moving forward.